Maybe no one will come to the party. There may be a party next week. In today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between maybe and maybe. So if you're unsure, keep watching, because today we're going to talk all about it. Hello, beautiful girls, handsome men, awesome people. Welcome back to another video with me, English teacher Matthew. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between maybe, the one word maybe, and maybe the two word maybe. So let's begin with the one word maybe. Maybe, the one word maybe, maybe. It means perhaps. It's a synonym, perhaps, maybe. Basically, the one word maybe is an adverb, and it means you are unsure about something. You are not 100% sure. Usually we place it at the beginning of the sentence. Let's have some examples. Would you like some curry? Maybe. Tell me yes or no. Maybe. In that example, maybe was used as an answer to say, I don't know, I'm not sure. Of course, like we said, maybe can also mean that you're not 100% sure. So you could say something like I said at the beginning, maybe there won't be a party, or maybe no one will come to the party. Maybe she is sick. Let's move on and let's talk about the two word maybe, maybe. And this one, the may is slightly different because may here is a modal verb, okay, a modal verb. The be is like an auxiliary verb or a main verb. It depends on the context of the sentence, whether it's an auxiliary verb or a main verb. So, for example, we can say she may be sick. The sick here is an adjective. Now this means that there is a possibility, okay? We're not 100% sure, but there is a possibility, okay? It's similar actually to when we use might, because we could also say she might be sick. We can also use other verbs as well, not just be. We can say she may come, okay? She may drive to work tomorrow, for example. And you can substitute here the might for the may. Also, while we're on this subject, we can also use may when we want to ask a question, especially one where we want to ask for permission, like I want to ask my mother to do something or my teacher to do something. May I go to the toilet? May I sit here? We say this a lot in English. It's very, very polite, actually. May I help you to write a comment in the comments below? Please go ahead. And also, while you're there, make sure you press the subscribe button. If you press the subscribe button, it will boost your English by about 10%. So make sure you do press that button. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. Let me know, do you have any other grammar questions? Leave them in the comments below and maybe we'll be able to do a video on them in the coming weeks. Thanks so much. Have a great day.